If you want to fix your Apple Maps not working on iPhone, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. So first fix, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, and then what you're gonna do next, click privacy and security, right? And then go ahead to the location services and make sure that you toggle this one on, the location services, so you can fix so Apple Maps can have access to your location. Next, what you're gonna do, you can just scroll a little bit down to find Maps or Apple Maps, right? And as you can see right here, while using the app, they have access to my location while I'm using the app, right? So if you left it on never, make sure that you choose the last option and make sure that you allow the precise location. Next, what you need to do in order to fix that problem, you need to swipe down to your control center, right? And you need to just shut down your Wi-Fi and reopen it again. Or if your Wi-Fi is weak, use your cellular data in order for this to work out. Basically, that's it. That's one of the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.